What is up, everybody? Eric here from the Orange Den Garage, also known as TODG. And today I'm going to Wyatts House and we're going to do a headlight restoration on his mom's Honda Odyssey. And as you can see, repping the Orange Den Garage t-shirt. And like it says, subscribe to us on YouTube. So please sub to us. Turn on those notifications to get notified for future videos. Hit that like button. Drop down a comment, let us know what you think about our videos and all that, you know. And I'm not going alone on this trip. Bringing someone with me, and I want to introduce you to this special person. Stitch is coming with me. This is, well, I guess my dog now, my wife's dog, and his name is Stitch. Stitch, ¿tú te vas? ¿Tú te vas para afuera? You ready? Come on. Vámonos. Oops. All right. Well, probably can't do this one-handed, so we'll see you guys outside. Yeah. All right. So we're all set up here, but head right now to Wyatts House. Oops. Don't want to get copyright. My bad. And right next to me we have Stitch. Stitch. Hola, Stitch. Dice hola. Dice hola. Hola. No? Okay. He's more likely going to end up crawling on my lap later anyways. So, here we go. Oh, here he goes now. Come on, Stitch. Come on. Oh, thank you. Good boy. All right. Let's head out to Wyatts House. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we just got into Wyatts House. Stitch, come on. We both made it here alive. So it's a beautiful day here in CT. So, Stitch, come on. Come on. About to go in to the garage right now. He's already got the Odyssey out. He's doing a little job to it as well. So let's go take a look to see what he's done. Alright, so let's get started here. I'm gonna spray on really quick. Try to get everything covered in this Windex cleaner so we can try to wipe it down completely. See, the steps in doing a headlight restoration recommends, you know, soapy water, but we don't have a empty spray bottle, so we're just gonna do with what we got and see how it turns out. Hopefully, maybe it might even turn out better than with just soapy water. Try to get rid of all the dirt and pollen or whatever that's on the headlight, so that the headlight restoration kit can do its job and these headlights can turn out looking amazing than they were before. So this is what we'll be using today for the restoration. Technician's choice. Kit comes with spray bottle, lens coating. These two, like, I don't know what you want to call them, but they help put in the lens prep on, so that all you have to do is just, it's like sanding it down pretty much. These are used because I had these stored up from just doing headlight restorations at the job. Some used paper here, but yeah, this is what we'll be using. I have a bunch of them in here, like probably 2 or 3 sets of lens coating or more. Unless Dave's been doing a lot more. Jesus, it's a lot in here. Alright, there we go. This is what I'm looking for. Lens prep. So, going to apply a lens prep onto the little sponge thing here. Try to get this all one-handed. Oh, Jesus. There. You want to get a size like that, big enough so you can coat the entire headlight, or cover the entire headlight. There we go. And depending on how bad the headlight is, you might want to take like 5 or so more minutes to completely get rid of the lens prep. Try to get it spread around as much as possible. There. Yep.
And then we open it up, like we took off the front valve cover off.
Yeah.
And we open up the kit, whatever it is, to look at it. Try to put the new gasket on the front side.
Yo, look at this.
Told you that Windex. Windex work on everything. They just can't. They can't. You know, advertise Windex in that box.
Apparently not.
So, damn. Looks way better.
Yeah, it does.
Is that time lapsing or is that?
No, it's just regular recording.
Oh, hey people! I know you hear me talking.
Man, look how clean this came out. Got any alcohol wipes?
I have sanitizer wipes.
I guess that'll work.
We're
really not prepared.
making this happen. It's probably gonna come out way better.
We'll find out. Boy, this came out actually. Damn. This came out pretty decent. I mean, actually, not even decent. This came out better than I thought it would with the Windex cleaner that we just used. Gotta wash my hands after this, but yeah, came out nice. Boy. Oh, this was for the. I'm gonna have to use this for the lens prep. I mean, I could use the other one too. It matters. Let me show you, ladies and gentlemen. Get a closer look here. Look how these headlights turned out, or at least this one. And this is just the lens prep. So I'm gonna wipe it down with an alcohol wipe or whatever it is, and after that, spray on, apply the lens coating. And then it should come out shining, because the fact that it's no longer foggy, that means it's going to be looking real nice and looking real good here. Just gotta make sure I get all the lens prep off. Don't want any sticking around. This actually came out nice. Oops, sorry for my terrible camera angle. I'm not really used to having a camera while I'm doing this, so excuse the angles. There we go. That'll do it.
Alcohol wipes on deck.
All right.
Headlight still happens. So that's.
It's small, but it'll do, I hope. Just now we apply the alcohol wipe. Try to get as much of the area as possible before it dries out completely. You know? Huh. I guess there's still lens prep on here. Damn it. Not what I was hoping to see. It happens. But I could have sworn it took it out completely. Yeah. It's tiny. Gotta make do with what we got.
Look, it's going on pretty good.
Yeah. Hopefully the wind doesn't mess up the spray. Alright. Time to apply the lens prep. Gonna do a little quick shake here.
Oh, the juice is flowing.
Make sure it Alright. Alright, let's see if I can get this with the wind to work. Dang it. There we go. Hopefully it does not drip too much. It probably, yeah, it's dripping. Damn. That happens. But compared to the other side, I mean, look at it.
It looks way better already.
Looks so much more better.
A lot clearer.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. So depending on, you know, the distance of how far you are from the lens, from the headlight, you're going to see, I don't know if you can, we probably can, these drips. It happens. It all depends on how close you are, but because we're outside here in the beautiful state of CT, nice and sunny and windy, the wind pretty much, I have to get closer so that I can make sure that the spray doesn't go flying outwards. So, but all in all, it looks really great. Now, time for the other side. Probably just going to time lapse the other side because no point on, you know, showing you exactly what we just did on one side. So it's going to time lapse the passenger side real quick, and we'll see you at the end of this video. Gentlemen, wind out here blowing the camera down, and Stitch out here walking around knocking down the camera, so apologize for all that. But look, this one came out perfect. Look at that.
Like Erick installed new headlights.
Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is what a headlight restoration does. Makes it look like you got brand new headlights.
Compare, you can show them my Civic, so you're like, they're like the same type of headlights.
I'll show you the Civic real quick. I know you guys haven't seen this car in a while, but look at that. You can see that his Civic's got some foggy headlights. This one's probably the worst side, I think. Yeah, compared to the van, boy.
Man, it's feeling good right now. Now it's good detail. That thing is gonna run forever.
Just gotta let it bake in the sun and let the lens coating dry out and all that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that brings an end to the headlight restoration job, and hope you enjoyed watching it, and hope you learned something new out here in Wyatts garage, or should I say, well, we're out here in the Orange Den garage, ladies and gentlemen.
The actual TODG, this is the real spot right here.
Yes, it is, ladies and gentlemen. And we're finally not in our work clothes. We're finally out here in the garage area, enjoying this beautiful day here in CT. So we hope that you enjoy this video. You find informative. Stop! Don't pee on this man's Civic. Sorry about that. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, hope you enjoy this video. Hope to see you soon. We're almost to 100 subscribers, ladies and gentlemen. We are what, 8 away, 9 away, 9 away from hitting the triple digits. Man, can't believe it. We're about to hit 100 subs in less than what, 2-3 months?
Was this the fourth month?
Fourth month, 4 months. We're about to hit triple digit subs, and wouldn't be possible without all of you supporting us, helping us out, and we appreciate everything. Like we said, we'll be doing that Amazon gift card giveaway at the end of March once we hit 100, and depending on when we hit 100, if it's not this month, then maybe next month. But once we hit 100, at the end of the month, we'll be doing a Amazon gift card giveaway to the video with the most comments. You got to be subscribed. Just drop down your Instagram handle so that we can directly message you in case you're the winner. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. And as always, out here in TODG, what do we do, Wyatt?
We envision our dreams.
Take care, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day or night, depending on when you see this video.